Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.